Welcome guys. Today we're going to be talking about how you can solve systems of linear equations, and they're going to be of two variables, namely x and y. So imagine I gave you two people, person 1 and person 2. This person 1, this person 2. And person 1's age is given by x, and person 2's age is given by y. And I gave you the relationship that x plus y, person 1's age plus person 2's age, equals 25, and person 1's age minus person 2's age equals 11. So the question is, what is x and y? Well, how would you go about solving this? I'm going to show you my favorite way of solving this, and that's using substitution. And what basically it is, putting one of the variables here and putting it in terms of the other variable. So what that would look like here is x equals 25 minus y, and I'm using equation 1, and this is equation 2. So I've said that x equals 25 minus y because y goes to the other side of equation 1. Then what I can do now is, since I found x, I can put this term, which is basically x, put it into the second equation to find y. So I put 25 minus y equals 11. And that's basically x. So 25 minus 2y, because minus y minus 2y equals 11. So minus 2y equals 11 minus 25, and minus 2y equals minus 14. So person 2's age equals 7, divided by minus 2, divided by minus 2. So person 2's age equals 7. Now that I found person 2's age, I can find person 1's age by, let me just erase this because we don't need them anymore. Okay. So I found that x equals 25 minus y. So x has to be 25 minus 7, which is x equals 18. So person 1's age is 18, and person 2's age equals 7. So let me erase this real quick. And what we're going to do now is check if what we found is correct and if it satisfies both of the given equations. So, okay, I found that x equals 18 and y equals 7. So what I got to do now is substitute these back into the first equation and the second equation, and if both of these equations are satisfied, then that means that we found the correct solution. So I'm going to solve for equation 1 right now. And that's x plus y, x is 18, plus 7 equals 25, which means 25 equals 25. So equation 1 has been satisfied. What about equation 2? Equation 2 states that x minus y, x is 18, y is 7, and that's equal to 11. And that's 11 equals 11. So both of these equations, equation 1 and equation 2, have been satisfied, and we found x and y. So I'm going to discuss tips and tricks of how you're supposed to solve these types of problems. The first tip is to check. Once you found the solution, check by substituting it back into the first equation and the second equation, and check to see if both of these equations have been satisfied. That's really important because you can make a bunch of mistakes in between, so you have to check. Second thing is, practice, because math is all about practice. You need to practice different types of situations, different types of equations, and see different types of circumstances in relation to these types of questions. So these are my tips personally, and you can use them or not, but I think it's worth the while. So thank you for watching, and I hope you understood how you can solve systems of linear equations. I hope you have a good day.